Okay, now with this alteration, I'm going to show you what to do if your strap is too wide. So you're going to want to move it from here over to here. And to do that, we're going to just mark it like this. And you're going to want to make sure you stay away from your center front, because that will alter how the pattern fits. Okay, so we're going to cut off the strap attachment. And I like to put a little paper behind there because you're going to need to true the seams. Okay, so here's the original. And say you want to move it 2 centimeters, so it's going to go over about that much. And you're just going to slide it over, just like that. Now from here, you're going to need to true your seams. So this one is a straight seam, so we're just going to use our ruler. And true that seam. And you need to make sure that you do this with your seam allowance as well. Okay, and then from the other side, you're going to true from this point to this one. And for that, I will be using my French curve. Just like that. So there you have it. You're just going to need to draw in your seam allowance. And from here, I'm going to use a seam allowance ruler. Just going to take that down. And then from there, you're just going to cut off the excess. And there you have it. So that's how you move your strap attachment over. And that is if the straps are too wide.